Hello and welcome to the Savify Discounts app tutorial series from KlinKode. In today's video, we'll show you how to create tiered discounts. If you spend $100 and save 10%, $200 and save 15%, or $300 and save 20%. Open the Savify Discounts app. Click the Create Discount button. Select Tier Discount instead of Regular Discount. Now here, under Discount Applies to section, we can set the discount for all products or apply it to selected products only. If you select the selected products only, you can select the specific items by products, tags, collections, vendors, or SKU. Also here, you can choose to include or exclude items by products, tags, collections, vendors, or SKU. For this video, we select all products. Now you'll need to give your discount a name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set your discount code. You can either create one manually or you can click on the Generate option. You can also choose Automatic Discount. For this video, we will select the Automatic Discount method. Once you've chosen Automatic Discount, you'll see the section called Discount Tiers. Here you can create different levels of discounts based on the quantity or value of the order. Let's create our first tier. In the message box, type something clear for your customers. For example, buy $100, get 10% discount. Under Minimum Requirements, select Cart Subtotal and set it to $100. Now, under Discount Value, choose Percentage and enter 10%. That means customers who spend $100 will automatically get 10% off. Next, let's add another tier. In the message box, type, buy $200, get 15% discount. Under Minimum Requirements, select Cart Subtotal and set it to $200. That means customers who spend $200 will automatically get 15% off. Now let's add the third tier. In the message box, type, buy $300, get 20% discount. Under Minimum Requirements, select Cart Subtotal and set it to $300. That means customers who spend $300 will automatically get 20% off. You can continue to add as many tiers as you need. If you want to remove any, just click the Remove option beside that tier. Now let's move to the next settings section. In the Tier Applied section, you'll see two options. First, Maximum. This applies to the tier with the highest discount. Second, First. This applies to the very first tier of the discount. For most cases, it's best to keep Maximum selected, so customers always get the biggest discount available. Next, we have Rules and Conditions. By default, it is set to Always, which means this discount will always be active at checkout. In the Combination section, you can allow this discount to be combined with other product, order, or shipping discounts, so customers can use multiple offers at the same time in a single order. To make this tutorial simple, we will keep the All Default option as they are. Now let's click on the Save button to create this discount rule. That's it, your discount is live now. Let's go to the checkout page and test it out. As expected, the discount is being applied perfectly. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Savify Discounts app. Happy selling!